Alrighty guys, I'm here. Y'all see my current situation. That's right guys, Advanced Auto. Now one of my customers called me and asked me what was my price on replacing her valve cover gasket. She has a Dodge Journey with a 3.6 Pentastar, of course. Alright, so I gave her my price. Because it's an oil leak, I went ahead and recommended a PCV valve and spark plug tube seals. Okay, so I gave her my price. She said, go get the parts and let's get her done. So what I'm here now is to do just that, get the parts. All right, now y'all know I'm a Mopar guy, right? But we're dealing with valve cover gaskets here, okay? It does not have to be, you know, super great gasket. Black rubber gasket, yes. It's okay, all right? Hold tight. I need a valve cover gasket for a 2015, huh?
Say the tube seals come with that one.
Oh, come with the valve cover tube seal. Yes, it do. How much? $87? God, damn. You got that in stock?
I got to order it. I can get it here.
Oh, you got it? Damn, she up the street now. You got just the tube seals in stock? All right, you got the PCV valve in stock. Surely got one. I think I got some valve cover gas laying around the shop somewhere. So let me get the PCV valve. That's a screw tight. Yep. Hey, with the screws. All right, how much is it? Wait. No, this is damage. How much is it?
$43.99.
43. I think the ones at the dealership like $100. I'll take it.
What's your phone number?
Alright, man. Y'all see how they insult me like this? It's a freaking Derman PCV valve. I ain't coming back to Advanced Auto no more. Nope. That's it for y'all, buddy. I dare y'all sell me this garbage. Alright, guys. I got work to do. Remember, you're doing all these. Please replace that PCV valve. I gotta go. Well. Look what I found, guys. Y'all know what this bag consists of? This is one of the bags when you get a whole engine 3.6 Pentastar. They come with the complete gasket set. Yeah, this customer lucky. Well, I still got a charger for it, but they lucky. Even got the spark plug tube seal. All right, this the car right here, guys. I'm gonna let it up in the air and show y'all what I'm talking about. You can smell it where it's burning. The exhaust leaking on past the valve cover gasket and ending up on the exhaust, causing a puff of smoke. Okay, as well as that burning smell. So I got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna start a long video right now. In fact, you can watch that long video. I'm gonna card it right down here at the bottom of this video. Just click that link, it'll take you straight to it. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, we got it up in the air now. Okay, yes, I can see. Oh, look, you see drops right there. So when that's coming off of that cylinder head cover, it's got to fall somewhere. When it hit this hot exhaust, poof, that's where you see the puff of smoke. You can see all back here. Now let's see if we can see. Ooh, right there, y'all. Ooh, it's blurry. Y'all can't see. Let me get right there. Now y'all see where that's about to drop. You can see one getting ready to drop right now. Ladies and gentlemen, that is coming from the valve cover. Okay, all of this coming higher up. So that's why I say when you're dealing with oil leaks, try to go. Oh, there you go, a better shot right here. Yep, coming straight off the valve cover. I'm gonna try to zoom in for y'all. Yeah, all those oil leaks that's hitting that exhaust is coming from the valve cover. So, like I said before, what I got here is some valve cover gaskets as well as some oh no. Boy, this girl is hell on motor mounts. I replaced those not too long ago. But for now, I built this transmission, guys. I overhauled this transmission. Man, what is this? Okay. Oh, that's transmission cooler lines. At some point, we're going to have to replace those. Just not now. All right, we're going to do one thing. Who put a damn... See, guys? You see this worm clap? That's okay because this is not plastic. Okay? the thinking goes you want to use a tensioner clamp when you're dealing with plastic. This is a semi-steel metal tube here. Okay, so a worm clamp is sufficient. See, they got a tensioner clamp on here, but you could have used either way. You can go either way, all right? But I don't know, it's just a thought. I'm off topic. All right, let me get this thing down. I'm letting it cool off because I'm about to go right at it, guys. Simple repair. You guys familiar with valve covers? Now, I didn't hear any ticking noise, but I will, however, inspect those rocker arms when I get the valve cover off. And I'll fire the camera when I do that, guys. How's that? Because doing a valve cover job is fairly easy within itself. Yeah, so I got this thing back down. Plenum got to come off. And remember, I bought a PCV valve at AutoZone. Now I'm kind of glad they didn't have the stuff I needed. Simply because I have the stuff I needed. They didn't have it, and I went to looking in my stash, and I got everything I need. Like I say, this come out of a kit where you replace the whole engine. I didn't need any of this, so I just kept a bag of filters. Even got the exhaust gaskets in there. I'm not doing no exhaust gaskets. All right, let me get this plenum off, all this stuff off, and put these valve covers off. Next time y'all see me, I have the valve covers off. No sense of recording, guys. It's self-explanatory. All right? I don't want to insult you guys like that. All right? I know I always say I don't know who's watching, but valve cover is pretty straightforward. You know, you got to gain access to it first, and to do that, just remove the plenum and the air intake system, and you'll be right there. All right, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. I told you it wasn't that bad. All right, easy freaking peasy. Now, oh my goodness, y'all see that? These gaskets are flat as hell. That's why, and I'm gonna tell you another reason you can tell when your valve cover has leaking. When these bolts here are easy to come off, like the valve cover is compressed. The gasket is compressed, so it's easy. In fact, I didn't even have to fight to get this one off. I just a couple of twists and turns and pick right up. Yeah, so I think this thing got 100. I don't think I've disconnected the battery yet. I want to see how many miles on here. Whoa, 200-some thousand miles. Yeah, so all right, 244,000 miles, guys. That's a lot of miles. Now, so let me go ahead and wrap this job up. Like I say, when I get this valve cover off, I'm going to do my JT field test. Remember, guys, you can't. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. Y'all see this cam? Look at this lobe right here. I bet this one moving. Oh, that one ain't moving. This camshaft is shot. Oh my freaking. She said it wasn't ticking noise. I didn't hear no ticking noise when I brought it in. Oh my goodness. Look. I know this was. Oh, look at that. Talk about a ticking noise right there. Good mugga. Damn. Guys, I need. Look. There go another one. Holy crap. Now, if she went 200,000 miles without a lifter, rock arm job, I want to say she did good. However, damn, this one is, this low. That's your ticking noise. But I didn't hear no ticking noise. And she said she didn't hear no ticking noise. Guys, I'm going to have to make a phone call. I'm going to call her and see if she wants this fixed. Now is the perfect time. I'm almost certain I got this camshaft. This is bank 2. Exhaust camshaft. I definitely need this one. And I ain't, look, I'm going to want to do the intake too. Only because I don't have to charge her $300 a piece. These about $300 a piece at the dealer. I have tons of these. I told y'all, knucklehead mechanics that I was already in there replacing them. You might as well because you're already in there. Those guys, you know those guys that replace camshafts for no reason? Yeah, these not a wearable item. This camshaft is not a wearable item. This camshaft for the life of this car would never wear out. It will, however, end up like this. But there's a reason for that. This freaking rocker arm collapsed. Okay, so this didn't wear out on its own. There's nothing wrong. And guys, kill me. They be in the comment section, man, I want some upgraded camshaft. Those camshaft Mopar I have ain't worth the crap. Dude. I chuckle sometimes. Some of the shit people say, man. What the hell you need an upgraded camshaft for on a 3.6 Pentastar? Just imagine you put, what's the company that upgrades Mullins? Just imagine you go get some Mullins camshaft and you put it on here, and then a rock arm fell and chew into that Mullins camshaft load. What are you gonna do? You're gonna blame Mullins? No, the problem ain't the camshaft. This is just a byproduct of the root cause. The root cause is a freaking rock arm failing. It's not even the lifters. A lot of people, yeah, need lifters. That's not a lifter issue, guys. This rocker arm has collapsed. Now, people will go ahead and do the lifters for, to make themselves feel good about themselves. I've never had a lifter fail. The whole problem with this car, the whole problem with this image of the 3.6 Pentastar is this cooler. Let me see, 200,000 miles. Look, it's not leaking. I think, yeah, this is not original. This is one of the revised cooler. In fact, I think I put this on. I can't remember. Yeah, I put this on probably a year and a half ago. It had to be. Yeah, there's no signs of leaks down there. So this cooler, there's nothing wrong with the cooler, but the whole deal about the image of the Pentastar being a piece of crap is because of the rocker arms. Had they had some decent rocker arms, we would not be here talking about the Pentastar as far as it being a non-reliable car. All right, guys, my whole plan is shot to shit. I'm gonna call her up and see if she want to do. Yeah, the valve covers are flat. The valve covers are leaking oil on the exhaust, causing that smell. However, lady, you got a freaking... Oh my goodness. I could do this fairly quick. Let me see. See, I ain't got no problem. This is off the load. It's just this mug right here. If I got an exhaust, I'm gonna knock this out right quick and just send her the bill. And I got this video as proof, so I'm gonna use the video as proof. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace both of these camshafts, guys. Damn, let me get the rear off and see if there's any damage back there. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video, okay, because it's all over the place right now. I'm changing topics, changing subjects, and it's bouncing around. All right, via a shorts video, I'll tell y'all what I did, but I'm almost out of battery life and I'm almost out of memory space. But the sole purpose, the start of the whole deal was supposed to be to fix the oil leaks. Every time I go in a valve cover on a 3.6 Pentastar, I check around, and I'm glad I did on this one. I didn't hear no tick when I drove it in. However, there's a problem, as you can see. All right, that's all I have, man. Yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next shorts video. I'll tell y'all what ended up happening. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, guys, I thought I was going to end that video, but I decided to open it back up. Yes, I told her I can knock this side out real quick. Okay, I'm going to do all 12. It's 12 lifters on here, but I got the bad. This is the exhaust side, okay? This is bank 2 exhaust. So look what I found. Ta-da! In my collection. That's why I don't throw away good cams. You guys crazy out there if y'all throwing away camshaft that's good. Here's a problem cam lobe right here. Yeah, it's chewed up on, but don't blame it on the cam. It's not the cam fault that it's chewed up on. Blame it on the lifter. Where is it? This one right here. Oh my goodness, that sucker there is, can y'all see that? It's blurry. Oh, it dropped big time. It's stuck. It won't even go the other way now, which makes one wonder, where's the needle bearings? I told y'all, I made a video showing y'all where these needle bearings are. Exactly. In fact, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to link it. I'm going to card that video right here so you can go watch this video. You will find out what these needle bearings that was once in this rocker on, where they went. So this collapsed and failed and chewed up on my cam lobe right here. Yeah, so. Alright, this time for real, I'm going to end this video because y'all see what I'm up against. Damn, that was bad. This all started with a leaking valve cover, guys. My nosy ass went checking around and found a broken lifter, broken rocker arm. So my good conscience wouldn't let me ignore that. All right. Yeah, I have to do something about that because that's what kind of guy I am. See what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the kind of guy I am. I couldn't just pretend I didn't see that. You can't unsee something, right? When I stuck my hand down there and moved this and it moved, I can't unsee this. I can't you know what I'm trying to say? So I got to do something about it. And I called her up. She said, okay, fix it. I have to send her the video later, but I'm going to hang on to this. That's bad. So, ooh, one just fell. One just fell out of here. Oh, look. Y'all see them little, see those little needle bearings in there? Yeah. They're all in the oil pan. All right. Let me replace all these rocker arms and lifters and, yes, we're going to do it like that. All right. I got to go, guys. I'm going to end this video for real this time. Thanks for watching.